and we celebrate the Halloween.
If you're Christian, if you're Muslim, if you're Jewish, if you believe in God, you cannot be celebrating Halloween. This is the devil-worshipping pagan festival that came from Samhan, where they would glamorize the shayateen, the devils, they would deal with the jinn. This is something that is forbidden in every religious tradition. As a Muslim, don't even think about letting your children go and get candy from some stranger. All year long, you tell your children, don't take candy from strangers. And then this day, you go out and tell them to go to absolute random people and take candy from them. You don't know what they've done to that candy. CDC says you have 4 times the chance of your kids being hit by cars on Halloween than any other night of the year. This is something haram. It's forbidden in every religious tradition. This is something, a night where they used to play with the jinn and mess with the jinn. And that's why we see so many reports of people having jinn issues after this. This is the night. Stay home. Spend some time with your family. Don't mess with Halloween.